how to install a Rear Mudslinger on a Fat Bob 2018. You will typically receive the product in this shape with all the brackets and mounts in place. First thing you have to do is to open to detach this part from this part. I'll show you how. Just unscrew the top bolt and the bottom bolt. Just leave the middle bolt loose. Make sure when you remove the right side, you keep it aside on the right, don't mix right and left. Same way, open the top and bottom bolt of the Mudslinger mounting brackets. Remove these 4 bolts. So now you have this part rotating freely and this part rotating freely. Now this is a replica of your existing Mudslinger which is on the bike. Behind that is a small fiber portion which holds a number plate. So these 2 rods are the same dia as the rods on your Fat Bob, and they are spaced at the same angle. So what you would typically do is ensure that you don't touch the fiber part. It's advisable that when you're doing the assembly, just cover the fiber part with a piece of cloth so that you don't dash it to other surfaces. And then you just neatly align it in a way that you are able to get this and you are able to get, just pull it out little bit with hand so that you're able to get both of these aligned. Now of course on your bike there is a wheel here, so you will align this part to set to the angle, and at that point you take the right bracket here the way we showed and ensure that you keep the orientation same, and then you first mount this bolt which is holding the bracket. Then you install this bolt. Make sure that you don't change the orientation of the brackets. Whatever part was top, we would have marked it and sent it. So keep it in that alignment. Then you align the bottom bolts. Keep everything loose for now. Now you basically start tightening the top and bottom bolts. Make sure you equally torque both bolts and ensure that this distance is same both sides and your positioning is aligned to the bike. Ensure that you put thread locker in each of the bolts. In the end you tighten this last bolt. The third bolt, center bolt, you tighten in the end. After just adjusting it, minor adjustment you'll be able to get. So adjust it and then you torque this bolt. That is how you will install your Mudslinger on the back. So imagine this is the back of the bike. Your existing Mudslinger is coming here. Your tire is coming over here. Thank you.